Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. The first 10 questions deal with phrase replacement. I'll read the first question. Named after his father, he was the company's most forcefully leaders. This is not correct. Mostly forceful. That is also not correct. Most forceful leader. This is the correct expression. More, there's no comparison. Most forceful to lead, not correct. Answer is the second option. Named after his father, he was the company's most forceful leader. The photographers that he took of the war giving human faces with conflicts, not correct. Photographs, and the context perhaps talks about and made people aware of. Context goes into the past. Based on that, it is not the first option, it is not the second. Here the verb is in the past. The photographs that he took of the war gave a human face to conflicts, gave a human face to conflicts, and made people aware of the folly of conflicts. Answer is the third option. Contextually, and if you look at the grammatical aspect as well. Question number 3. Science says there is virtue in working standing up, and today the trendiest offices all have treadmill desks which encourage people to walk while work. People to walk while work is not correct. Walk to work. People to walk while working. This is right. Walking and work, not correct. Answer is the second option. Question number 3. Which encourage people to walk while working. Relaxing regulations will allow investors to diversify, asset and invest. Asset is not correct. Relaxing regulations will allow investors to diversify, not diverse, to diversify assets. You don't have to go beyond. Answer is the first option. To stabilize the currency, RBI recent introduction of package. RBI recently introduced a package. Recently introduced a package of measures to suck liquidity out of the banking system and raise market rates. Answer is the fourth option. All these are easy to answer, even though the magnitudes of the effects not correct. Extent for the effect not correct. Magnitudes. We don't use the word magnitude in the plural form. There's only one option, magnitude of the impact. Even though the magnitude of the impact of climate change. Answer is the fourth option. Magnitude of the impact of something. Question number 7. As the global economy gets integrated, national or local corporations will gradually transformed, will eventually become, will gradually transform. These are not grammatically correct. Based on this word, it should be the fourth option. Will gradually transformed is not correct, grammatically speaking. Will gradually transform into multinational corporations. Answer is the fourth option. Some experts are of the opinion that it is not possible for commercial banks to satisfying all financial needs. To satisfy all financial needs, satisfy more financed, not correct. Answer is the first option. to satisfy all financial needs. Funds provided by the development banks are utilized to achieve several objectives that leads to accelerate industrial and economic growth. Funds provided by the development banks are utilized to achieve several objectives. No problem. Answer is the fifth option, no correction required. Though no immediately adverse impact of global warming is visible in India, immediately is not the right word. Though no immediate adverse impact of global warming is visible in India, though no present negative, not correct. Answer is the second option. Though no immediate adverse impact of global warming is visible in India. That makes sense. These questions deal with double fillers. One of the greatest assets we have as employees of a culture, not correct. A resident, singular form cannot be used. Population hold this. Natives hold this. Citizens of a culture, not correct. One of the greatest assets we have as population of a culture is our tendency to quickly read another person's emotions. But better expression, one of the greatest assets we have as natives of a culture is our ability, skill to quickly read another person's emotions. Answer is the fourth option. Question number 12. While making a presentation, the you understand your audience's goals and concerns, the more, this is a clue for you, likely you are to desired outcomes. The better you understand, the more likely you are to achieve desired outcomes. This seems the answer. Let us look at other options. The fast, not correct. The least, that doesn't go with the context, negative. Extra, not correct. The more, you may get tempted to choose the fifth option. But to attaining desired outcomes, the more you understand your audience's goals and concerns, the more likely you are to attaining, that is not correct. The more likely you are to achieve desired outcomes. Answer is the first option. Question number 13. The idea that each voice is makes intuitive sense and some voice profiling tools are now based on this unconventional premise. The idea that each voice is unique, superior is not correct, no comparison. Roughly doesn't make any sense. Peculiar, no. Melody, the idea that each voice is unique makes intuitive sense, and some voice profiling tools are now based on this rather unconventional, rather unconventional, means to some extent. This is also, it goes with the context and grammatically also correct. Based on that, answer is the first option. Question number 14. As we, things often do not turn out the way we had. As we old is not correct. As we grew, hold this one. Raise, not correct. Lived. As we grew, things often do not turn out the way we had imagined. Here we cannot use the verb in the past. This is ruled out. Answer should be the fifth option. As we age, things often do not turn out the way we had planned. This is the answer. Fifth option, not the second option. Today, a lot of people are becoming increasingly about health issues from the use of mobile technologies. Today, a lot of people are becoming increasingly anxious. You can consider that about health issues carry from, not correct. Increasingly worried, yes. Health issues arising from, this also seems right. Content, not correct. Afraid about health issues, that doesn't go with the context. Answer is the second option. Increasingly worried about health issues arising from the use of mobile technologies. Industrial sector is a sector of the Indian economy which to the generation of employment and income in the country. Industrial sector is a dynamic sector of the Indian economy which contributes, this seems right, is a, you cannot use upcoming, financial sector, no, growing sector which increases to, that is not correct, valued sector which alleviates to, grammatically not correct. Answer is the first option, dynamic sector which contributes. Over the years, the government has the importance of entrepreneurs in the industrial development, thus a number of facilities and incentives. Acclaimed, bringing, generated, no. You can hold the third option. Acclaimed, thus bringing a number of facilities, providing. It should be providing. Based on that third option, over the years, the government has recognized the importance of entrepreneurs in industrial development, thus providing a number of facilities and incentives. Has been providing, you should take it that way. Question number 18. It is said that agriculture is demographically the broadest economic and plays a role in the overall socio-economic fabric of India. Economic investment is not correct. Economic result is not correct. It should be segment. Generally speaking, agriculture, we use the word sector, economic sector, only one option. Let us go with that option. It is said that agriculture is demographically the broadest economic sector and plays a significant role, vital role, important role in the overall socio-economic fabric of India. Answer is the fifth option. Experts suggest that the of writing in a given area is usually by several centuries of fragmentary inscriptions. Development of writing prevented, not correct. Creation, again not correct. Emergence of writing followed by, hold the third option. Transformation found is not correct. Caution doesn't go with the context. Answer is the third option. Experts suggest that the emergence of writing in a given area is usually followed by several centuries of fragmentary inscriptions. Question number 20. After visiting a career counselor, he was very sure that he wanted to his profile from being a financial analyst to an HR manager, and he started in that direction. He wanted to, after visiting a career counselor, he was very sure that he wanted to maintain, no, lacking doesn't go with the context, revamp, change his profile, and started working in that direction. This seems the option. Master his profile, struggling in that direction. Master doesn't go with the context. Improve, you can consider. Emphasizing, not correct. Prevent doesn't go with the context. Answer is the second option. After visiting a career counselor, he was very sure that he wanted to revamp his profile from being a financial analyst to an HR manager, and he started working in that direction. Standard expression. These questions deal with parajumble, not difficult. Research further suggests cannot be the first sentence, however, cannot be the first sentence. This technology demonstrative adjective cannot be the first sentence. Hold this. Already deficient in oxygen, already cannot be the first sentence. What is the first sentence here? D is the first sentence. Wi-Fi enabled planes are part of a trend that is still gathering pace across the entire aviation industry, starting around 2009 in the United States. Once you get this, after that it becomes very easy to get the correct order. Wi-Fi connectivity is set to become to a plane journey, is set to come to a plane journey near you. If you fly mid-haul routes this year, first it talks about a trend, then it talks about this year. It should be the second sentence. Because it is a trend, it is set to come to a plane journey near you if you fly mid-haul routes this year. Once you get 1 and 2, it becomes easy for you to get the correct order, remaining parts, remaining sentences. The upside to installing this technology to replace or complement current IFE in-flight entertainment offerings are cost savings, convenience, and a better customer experience. Positive aspect. Then writer talks about the negative aspect, contrary information, with the word however. However, what is not being considered in the health risk, what is not being considered is the health risk that Wi-Fi poses to flyers at high altitudes. Already deficient in oxygen and with high barometric pressures, Wi-Fi signals degrade the airplane's environment even more. What is the last sentence? Research further suggests that this could potentially be worse than what smoking on airplanes was in the 1970s. A is the last sentence. It starts with a trend, then it talks about something is set to come, after that, positive aspect, then negative, then the impact, and finally, more information. This is the correct order. DECBFA. These questions deal with grammar knowledge, spot the error, only one part. It is no secret that the key says there is a problem with the first part, but that is not correct. Answer is it's a statement. We have to use present tense, and there's no need to use the helping verb can. Question number 26. It is not the first part. There's nothing wrong. This is a standard phrase. It is no secret. Means what? It is a known fact. Everyone knows about something. It is no secret. There's nothing wrong with this part. It is no secret that family businesses struggle with governance, leadership transitions, and even survival. There is an error in the second part. Can struggle. You don't have to use the word can. The helping verb can over here. Question number 27. Over a period of time, we learn to identify whether our colleagues are truly interested in a project, truly interested, not interesting, whether they are truly interested in a project. Most leaders now recognize that the best teams leveraging diversity to achieve long term success. Most leaders now recognize that the best teams leverage Take maximum advantage of something. That is the meaning of the word leverage. Not leveraging, leverage diversity to achieve long term success. Public internet access usually comes at a steep price, as a person may have to use a week's salary to spend just an hour emailing his family overseas. I don't see any error. Based on that, answer is the fifth option, no error. Technology is changing every facets of work. Every, then you cannot use the plural form. Every facet, every facet, every dimension, every aspect. Facets is not correct. Easy to answer. Now there's a passage, 10 questions, not that easy. You got to read very carefully, but many questions are based on what has been mentioned in the passage. That means explicit information. If you know, if you locate, easy to answer. You have to navigate or read twice, thrice, then you can answer. Question number 31. According to the passage, which of the following can be said about China this year? Its contribution to economic growth this year will not be impressive globally. Its economic growth rate this year will be its lowest over the past 25 years. Would be its lowest since 1990. Or the second one, its debt levels will affect its economic growth rate adversely. Answer is only B. Fifth option, only B. Question number 32. Which of the following is true according to the passage? The US will show the highest economic growth this year. From 2012 till date, India's economy has not seen economic growth above 6%. There is no scope of improvement in the economic growth of the Eurozone this year. Answer is the third option, all the three A, B, and C. Question number 33. According to the passage, which of the following is not true? You got to be careful. Tensions in the Middle East may prove to be detrimental, dangerous to the economic growth of some nations. Slowdown in China's economy will affect the economies of other nations. Oil prices are expected to be stable this year. India's economy is poised to reap benefits from certain structural reforms if announced. Answer is the fifth option. All the given options are true according to the passage. Question number 34. Opposite in meaning, escalation. Escalate means increase. What is opposite? It should be not climb, they are related, not relevant, force, not relevant, diminishing. Escalation, opposite, diminishing. Question number 35. Same in meaning, pose. Generally speaking, pose threat, it is here. Pose some downside risks to that main scenario. Based on that, it should be not sham, not pretend, not stance. It should be create, oppose, no. Pose, threat, create threat. Answer is the fourth option. 36. Which of the following can be the most suitable title for the passage? Indian economy on the path to higher growth. Answer is the first option. Question number 37. Same in meaning, clock. The word is here. Its economy is projected to clock 7% growth. Based on the context, not time, hold this one, not speed, not second, measure. He says the fifth option. I don't think so. Answer is the second option. Clock 7% growth means achieve 7%, whatever the percent. Clock here means achieve, not measure. Answer is the second option. Question number 38. Opposite, boost. Boost means what? To increase, to improve, to encourage. It's a positive word. You need opposite, you need a negative word. Hamper means to block, to prevent. Hold that one. Further, no, leave. They're not related to the word boost. Answer is the first option. Hamper, block. Question number 39. Which of the following best explains the phrase on the back as used on the back of as used in the passage? With India expected to turn the corner on the back of structural reforms, urgently suggested by climbing on top of, taking undue advantage without the knowledge of, well supported by. Answer is the fifth option. Well supported by. The last question based on the passage. According to the passage, which of the following will possibly work in India's favor this year? Oil prices? All the three actually. Answer is the fourth option, all the three A, B, and C. The last 10 questions deal with close test. All industrial nations one day hit an environmental turning point, an event that dramatizes to the population the ecological consequences of growth. In America, that event occurred in 1969 when the Cuyahoga River in Ohio, blank number 41, with pollutants and bereft of fish caught fire. Inundated would have been correct. Thick with pollutants, full of would have been better. Complete, no. Cover, no. Thick with pollutants. Answer is the second option. America's Environmental Protection Agency was the next year, was built, was arrived, was appeared, was founded, was compelling, was founded. It should be was founded means was established. Strict environmental laws passed by Japan in the 1970s followed the path, achievement, success, failure, realization that. Answer is the fifth option. Realization that poisonous mercury spilled from a plastics factory was claiming thousands of lives. Surroundings available around close further, around the Bay of Minamata. Answer is the third option. The fetid smog that settled on Beijing in January 2013 was, could, has, to, not. It should be the second option. Could join the ranks of these game changing environmental disruptions. Could join. Public concern exploded, happen, occur, swelling, strike. Public concern exploded. Answer is the first option. The air apocalypse injected a new urgency into local debate about the environment and produced a green policy resulted in would have been correct, conclude not relevant, formulate grammatically not correct, yield doesn't go with the context, produced a green policy frenzy a few months later. The government unveiled a of reforms, a need not correct, a shortage not correct, a few reforms would have been correct, a series of reforms. Answer is a fourth option. It started the country's first carbon market, made engaging environmental crimes, prosecuting. Answer should be the fifth option. Prosecuting environmental crimes easier and made local officials more accountable for air quality in which not correct in their areas. Answer is the second option. Not that difficult, but you got to read once or twice, then you can get all the 10. Should not be a problem. That's all about this paper. Thank you very much.